Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share my current morning skincare routine. So currently I'm using the newly launched Sugar Coffee Culture range, and I have been using this for last 2 weeks. Actually, I have received these products as PR, and guys, they have 4 products in this range, and in this video I'm going to talk about the details of these products. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product, we have this coffee lip scrub, and this is a solution to say goodbye to those bumpy peeling lips and hello to smooth lips. This lip scrub contains coffee granule caffeine to tighten lips that make lips smooth and delicate, and gently removes dry skin and aging lip cells. At the same time, ingredients like olive fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, coffee seed oil, almond oil and glycerin bring lasting moisturizing effect. Next, we have Sugar Coffee Culture Pore Purifying Mask. So caffeine tropical use can help tighten fine lines and smooth puffy skin. This mask is best for deep cleansing and brightening. Caffeine repairs the skin damage caused by exposure to UV. So just apply this mask, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Next, we have the Sugar Coffee Culture Brightening Serum. This is whitish in color and great for all skin types. It absorbed completely, and the serum influenced with green tea extract, caffeine, Centrella aesthetica extract, witch hazel extract that helps to calm and smooth the skin, diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And the last product, we have Sugar Coffee Culture Eye Filming Cream, a premium eye cream with a massage roller designed to ensure eye cream absorption that has anti-aging property. It is filled with natural and organic, gentle plant-based active ingredients which helps reduce dark circles and under eye puffiness. And guys, all these products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, dermatologically tested and vegan product. And yeah, that's my coffee culture morning skincare routine, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.